Hi and welcome back to a video tutorial from Explain Factor on how to use the aviation computer and for navigation, and more specifically for ATPL questions in the navigation module. Now I have a Police CRP1 computer with a window here on which we can draw with a pencil. I don't have a ruler. Well, I do. I have homemade myself this wind gauge thing, which is precise enough. Anyway, now the question is, given the true track of 239, given the true heading of 229, given the TAS of 555 knots, given the ground speed of 577 knots, calculate the wind, velocity and direction. And you have several options. Now, on your computer, you always put on the index, you put the true heading. So what you always put on here is the true heading, which is 229, which I put here down. The TAS is 555, so that's 55 I've put down here. And now we're asked to check the ground speed and, sorry, not the ground speed, the wind, basically the wind. So what we now have to do, well, quite simply, first of all, we have a drift of 10 degrees to the right. Okay, with this 10 degrees to the right drift, I can now pencil mark 10 degrees to the right is here, and I can mark this under 575 knots, 505, 506, 67, and here I have marked 575 knots, 10 degrees drift. Now what's left to do is use this, and here I'm on the high scale. I need to center line to intersect this with the mark. So there you are, that's it. And here I can read 50, 100 knots. So the wind is 100 knots and it's coming from here, and here is 130. This is aligned with the 130, so it's coming from the 130, and this is the correct answer. Wind 100 knots, 130 degrees. That is how you answer this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and ask any of your questions in the comments. Good luck with your exams.